fellas. Pal. That, my friends, is brilliant. Just look how low this reservoir is. That is so low, isn't it? You can tell we've not had much rain this year. Let's go. Right, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, YouTubers, good morning. We're back out. Self and Ray are doing a run today to the Elan Valley in north to Mid Wales, I think it is. Mid Wales, I think, actually. Aberystwyth way. We've got a glorious morning. Absolutely fantastic weather. I mean, this is just glorious. So yeah, myself and Ray today, or as I've renamed him. You're going to love this, guys. Got a new name for Raymond. Let us know what you think. My thoughts are Captain Sat Nav. As you all know, Ray's Sat Nav skills, even after going to Sat Nav school himself, his skills are just a little bit to be desired. He blames it on the TomTom, but hey ho. It's not the TomTom's fault. Well, maybe a little bit TomTom's fault, actually. They do tend to send us up wrong-way streets the wrong way and so forth. But yeah, myself and Ray are going to the Elan Valley. I've decided to bring the cooker with me today. Not the kitchen cooker, I'm not towing it on a bloody trailer. No, I've decided to bring the cooker because we didn't get camping. We thought, well, why not? It's lovely. Let's use the little cookers, make ourselves a couple of brews, rather than pay for cafe prices, you know, for breakfast and whatever. Why not be a little bit tight for the change? So, brought my own grub. Tea, coffee, water. I've got 2 litres of cold water in the back box, and you know, it doesn't feel too bad, actually. I had it on the centre stand in the garage last night, started filling the stuff up, and then the bike decided to go from the front wheel to the back wheel. Thought, ooh, that's a bit heavy. And then when you look at the little leaflet in the back of the back box, it says 5 kilograms. I thought, Jesus, it's a little bit more than that. Anyway, I've moved stuff around, distributed the weight a bit more, and hopefully, I mean, it feels alright. She doesn't feel top heavy, anything like that. So yeah, looking forward to this. Meeting Ray for 9 o'clock. What time is it now? 25 past 8. Then we've got a couple of hour ride to the valley, so. But the weather is, guys, girls, what can I say? It is beautiful. I've still got my drift on the back. Now there's a little story to go with the drift camera, which I've got on the back of the bike. Well, 2 little stories actually. First of all, my first drift camera, for those who know me on Facebook will have seen, I only had it a week. I decided to film a run up to Lake Vyrnwy, because one of my very first videos I did on YouTube was a run out to Lake Vyrnwy with my wife Vic. Now, it was a beautiful run, but the camera was set up wrong. I'd done it in the wrong format. It was 4.3, not 16.9. The microphone was at its highest sensitivity, so it sounded like it was in a rock concert. But, you know, it's had some good views and people liked it, so I thought, well, tell you what I'll do. I'll do a rerun of it with the software I've got now and just make it look a little bit better, you know. Well, the video you saw... Glass everywhere here. The video you saw... of me testing the new drift, that was on a Monday, I think it was. Monday or a Tuesday. On the Thursday I decided to go to Lake Vyrnwy. Anyway, I lost the camera. I don't know what happened. I clicked it in the back, thought everything was alright. What happened? bloody thing fell off the back, didn't it? So, a fellow biker. Yeah, the bloody camera decided to depart, shall we say. So I had to backtrack. That little single track road you've got on from Lake Vyrnwy to Bala, 15 mile an hour trying to find this camera. It was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. Anyway, cut a long story short, I didn't find me drift. So, after shopping around, I managed to get another drift. And now, as you know, these Ghost S's are as rare as hen's teeth. So, yeah, anyway, I managed to get hold of one, and now, as you'll see a bit later in this video, I've now tethered it to the back box. So it's got a tethering cable in there. What I would suggest, guys and girls, I'm going to have to stop saying that. What I need to suggest, YouTubers, if you're going to put a camera on, put a tethering cable on, for goodness sake. £300 camera is not what you want to be losing. Anyway, going to meet Ray at Chester.
Shit, I've left my glasses behind. Oh no, they're on my face. 4. I've got a new Drift Ghost S on a crash out pointing backwards. I've got the GoPro on the front, my Suku on the front of the bike, and on another side of my helmet I've got an action camera AC32. Now I had some issues with the GoPro last time I went away. What it did was, on the last day, big red bar came up across the top of the screen. I couldn't read it. And it turns out what it does, or was doing, drive corrupt, and it didn't save the file, so I got no video on the GoPro on my last day. Did a firmware update. Kinda looks like the problem's gone away. Kinda. When I first tested it, it didn't, but when I tested it last night, I got all the way through. From 100% down to 0.
Well, we're here in Chester. And as I always say, we're one of them the first to arrive. Aha! Right. Wonder if Raymond's here. Might not be, because I'm 20 minutes early. No, he's not here, yes. Don't you look wonderful? Now there is my camera on the back. Got my new drift there. And obviously the helmet one is normal. Where's Captain Sat Nav? Has he got lost? Not here, yes.
Right, now right where that white car is going to stop is where I got off my bike. Right there. Is he here? Oh yeah, there he is.
This is Ray's new bike, by the way. It's beauty, isn't she? Look at that. That does look a beauty. Go on, how are you?
Alright.
Look at him, he thinks he's on police camera action, he's got muck.
Fucking what's in telling you?
So it's he's got his GoPro on the front, he's got his drift facing backwards. Oh. We're only gone on a day out, it looks like we're going camping. Anyway, let's get you this side because the sun's shining. How's it running? All right.
Yeah. I thought it was a
Bit ropey.
was a bit last night, but I held the chain.
Oh right, so that's better.
It's all right now.
Yeah, you haven't combed your hair though, have you?
No.
So this is now officially Mr. Captain Sat Nav.
Blooming alcohol.
It's I've taken the innards out, mate. Anyway.
I was riding away from my house,
Yeah.
heading off down the road, and getting to turn off the dual carriage red line. Left my glasses at home. I was about to turn around and went, oh no, I haven't at all.
Do I need to bleep that bit out now? How's she running? All right.
Yeah. Yeah, it still sputters at low speed, but
That's normal.
well.
It's not bad though, is it?
When I'm in service,
Anyway, catch you in a bit. Right, are you filming?
No.
Well,
What am I going to film?
we'll at least get the sound then, can't we?
I've got my voice recorder anyway.
Oh.
Not leaving that at home.
Well, press record. Get all of it on. Right.
That's every camera going.
Right, we're all mic'd up now as well, aren't we?
Yeah, I can hear you.
And you can hear me.
Yeah.
Right. He's getting worse, you know. He's getting worse.
It's called old age, Paul. You've got it all to come.
Yeah.
I don't need fuel for about 90 miles, which means we'll be at the Elan Valley, won't we?
I've got about 200.
Yeah, have you got a full tank?
Yeah.
I filled up the other day and went to work on it for a couple of days. Well, 3 days, I think.
Okay, mate. Just give us a second. I should have been ready, really, shouldn't I? As usual, you get on the bike before me.
Well, you just take forever to do anything.
Do I?
Yeah.
A bit harsh, isn't it, Mr. Raymond?
Well, I'm sure Vicky's happy.
This is where to bleep this section out, isn't it?
Right.
Right, come on. Let's go. Right. Elan Valley, here we come. I think it'll be a nice ride today, Ray.
Well, the weather's pretty good.
Yeah, it looks alright. Seems to be a lot of bikers out today as well, mate.
Yeah, there will be. There'll be a lot of police out as well, won't there?
Yeah, I know, so have to be careful of that, mate. Couldn't believe that poster was on Facebook with that poor bugger in Luxembourg, 1 kilometre over the speed limit.
Yeah, I know, it's bad, innit?
That's 0.6 of a mile an hour over. It's ridiculous, mate.
I think I might need to reposition me speakers because I can't hear you.
Oh, can't you? That might be a bonus.
I can hear your voice, but I can't hear what you're saying.
Hey?
So I can hear your voice, but I can't hear what you're saying.
That's twice you said that now. Oh, anyway, we're off to the Elan Valley. As you can see, Captain Sat Nav's navigating. I think it'll be a good day out today. The weather is beautiful. Oh, this is lovely. Well, folks, what do you think of raising your bike? Not bad, is it? Anyway, have a look at a bit of race footage, eh? Right. 483, I assume we're going on.
Yeah, I can hear you a bit now.
Can you hear me now, mate?
Yeah.
Just need to readjust then, I think. When
Yeah, I think we just need lowering down.
right, okay. What your ears?
You can hear me, I take it.
Yeah, you were crystal clear, mate.
Yeah, I better be careful what I say then, haven't I?
I couldn't hear you before when you exceeded 30.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lovely day, mate.
It's cracking, isn't it?
Hey, beautiful.
Totally changed all of this.
Yeah, completely altered it, haven't they, mate?
Yeah, it used to be a roundabout, didn't it?
It did, yeah. Yeah, you're right, mate, yeah. Was that a roundabout or a loundabout? Well, I'm glad I took me in it out, folks. Glorious. According to the Sat Nav reading, it's 27 degrees this morning. I think it's only 9:15. It's going to be a good one today, I think.
Now I'll chatted away quite freely, but Paul can hear me. I got to be really careful.
I heard every word of that, you.
It says drive responsibly here, Paul.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just keep...
Don't know what that means.
Well, I mean, you and the word responsible, I mean, is a bit strange anyway, isn't it?
Yeah.
Aha. I think he's lost already. I think on the first stop, mate, you need to adjust those
Yeah, we'll do, don't worry.
earpieces, mate. Probably know where to get past here, mate, is it?
Well, I could do, but
No, you got to be careful, mate.
there's that mirror I'm going to run straight into with my head.
There's not really opportunities to get past there, is there?
No, it's not really. You can go down the middle.
I know, but knowing your luck, mate, you'll get someone going a bit too wide the other side.
Yeah, I know. But it's just one long line,
Yeah.
so to be fair, it is always pretty
So
much
it's
like
beautiful
this
scenery
long.
though, mate, isn't it?
Oh, it's nice,
Oh,
isn't
it's
it?
lovely. My God, you're actually looking.
Fuck off.
Bleep that one out.
Yeah.
While they crawling, you can get past, mate.
Yeah, I'm sure I can. It's a bit bumpy.
Oh my God, it is a bit, isn't it?
But better than nil.
It is. Well, there goes the teeth.
Oh, you're on a lovely line of caravans here,
Oh,
Paul.
make sure we get past these little fellas. Little.
Yeah, you're going to love it.
Oh, I'm not going to make it past that next third one. Oh, just about to do that thing. Oh, I'll catch you.
Yep.
Don't worry, I'm on you. Oh!
I can see you. I'm just following like Welsh Pool.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm sure it's near as damn it right.
Have you heard your drift bleep, yes?
No?
No. He'll get to
Why?
30. He'll get to 30 minutes and then it'll bleep.
Alright, okay. This GoPro, it doesn't have a remote control.
What's that, mate? Which one?
It means I can't control it if I put it anywhere else on the bike. I can't do anything with it.
Yeah.
But at least where it is now, when I press the button for it to record, I see the screen light up,
Yeah.
so I know it's doing it.
to you folks, Ray's.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
You got a cracking little overtake there, didn't you? You're still filming? Yes, it is. These roads are just bloody amazing, man. When we're not stuck behind cars. There's the turn off for Lake Vyrnwy.
Yep. Make sure you go straight on.
I'll try to remember, mate.
Yeah.
I don't think I like your attitude. Are we clear up there, mate?
We're in Pant now, Paul.
Go on, say it. When we done the Llandovery one, I asked you if you were in Wales and you went, we've been in Wales for a bit, Paul.
Yeah, we have been in Wales for a bit, Paul.
Yeah, I know.
But quite a bit, as it happens.
It is quite a bit as it happens, mate,
Yeah. I have to admit, though, I do like your geography. You
Not
grasp
wrong.
on where everything is.
Oh, God. That's coming from somebody every time he goes on a ride out, has to take his passport and an overnight bag.
Says Paul, who's got a top box full of food for three fucking weeks and he's only going for a day.
He's trying to say it, eh? Yeah, okay.
Belt and braces, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think I like your attitude. We're going to fall out, me and you.
Oh, for God's sakes, I hope so.
We need to talk to each other because it annoys both of us, don't we?
Yeah, the only reason I talk to you is so that you don't speak to me.
Now, Raymond.
Food all day. I used to go out fishing here.
Did you?
Yeah.
Cross Guns looks a nice little place, mate, doesn't it?
Not here. You get out of this town and there's a place called Lanny Monarch.
Oh, right, okay.
I used to be in the Shell Angling Club and used to have to stretch the river down there. It's quite nice.
Nice winding roads, eh?
Yeah, they get better.
Yeah, I know they do. We done this route last time, or part of this route last time, didn't we?
That's right. So you've already been on this route. I think the weather was a bit shitter.
Well, it was late in the year, wasn't it, I think? Or was it early? That was our first attempt at dual videos and conversation talking, wasn't it?
Was that the first one we did where you could get the conversations lined up?
Yeah. And it was alright. There's a bit of a couple of errors in it, but
Well,
I like the way it's our first attempt at conversations. Yeah, we've known each other for 20 years, never spoke to each other.
Yeah, won't speak to you again for weeks.
Yeah. That's just like being on tour with you, mate.
Yeah. It's the only reason I go with you, just so as I can get the peace and quiet.
Oh, and he's back. Look at that. Imagine having all this on your doorstep. Beautiful.
4 crosses.
What's that, mate?
We're at 4 crosses.
Oh, right.
I used to turn left there to go fishing.
Did you?
Yeah. Not sure if this is a police van.
Okay. Is it?
Don't think it is. It hasn't got the markings on it.
No. What is it down here? 50? 60?
No.
trees going the way.
You alright?
Oh, the roads are getting better now. Right folks, we are about 15 minutes away from Newtown, so we'll have a little stop there, a bit of a break, and carry on to the next step. What a lovely, lovely day. This is fantastic to come out today, isn't it? Look at it, it's beautiful. Stunning, stunning, stunning scenery. Glorious weather. Well folks, what do you think of this then?
You alright, Paul?
I'm here, mate.
Cool. We're not far from Newtown, so I think I'll pull over in the next lay-by that I see.
Okay, mate.
That's marked, so I've got time to bloody well see it.
Yeah.
You watch, we'll end up in Newtown before I see one.
Yeah.
It's always the way, isn't it?
It is, mate, yeah. Are you filming at the moment, Raymond?
I have been, all the way through there.
Yeah, good, good.
It was nice just to put the cameras on and just bloody well ride.
Do you know, that's the beauty of, like, you've got your GoPro at the front, you've got your drift facing backwards at the moment.
Yeah.
As I say, you're mic'd up now, so it makes life a little bit easier for filming. But at the same time, it's you're getting all different views, aren't you?
Yeah.
At some point, you've got at least one camera working. I've got my back and front working at the moment, so...
Well, the one that's on the front of the bike at the moment, I like that location.
Yeah.
I think the video from there looks quite good, but if I put the GoPro on it, I can't operate it.
Yeah, because you've got no microphone, have you?
There's no remote control.
There is an app you can get, or you can speak in... Well, no, you can speak into the... There's an app you can get for Bluetooth, you can speak into it to turn it off and on the that new one.
Apparently so.
You have to link it up to your phone, don't you? And then...
Yeah, but you know when you link your phone up?
Yeah.
You can't operate it while you're riding a bike.
Oh, right, okay, yeah, that's
because
the point, yeah.
The touchscreen doesn't work with gloves.
No, it doesn't, no.
I tried it. So basically, it's minus a remote control. There's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah. Right.
It looks like we might be in Tesco car park again.
Yeah. I was going to say to you, they were doing all this last time we come, last year or the year before.
Yeah, I think they were, weren't they? They had diggers and what have you up there, didn't they?
Was it last year we did this, or was it the year before?
Was it last year? I think it was last year, wasn't it?
It might have been. It was a test, wasn't it, ready for Spain, wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, they're doing a bypass.
Yeah, very good. Oh, that sun's nice on your back, isn't it?
Yeah. It's an absolute cracking day, really.
I think we've planned it quite well, haven't we, really?
Well, we've been lucky.
Yeah. We have been lucky, really, mate.
I don't think anybody could have predicted this kind of weather in the UK.
No, not at all, no. I keep thinking, why am I seeing a red flashing light in your drift? It was filming, innit? I can at least tell when you're filming, I can see your red light flashing.
Can you?
Yeah. Not at the moment I can't, it's green.
That's because it's not filming at the moment.
I know, I've noticed.
Right, we're into Newtown now by the looks of it, so...
Yeah, we might as well just...
We need to stop anyway, because we're supposed to turn off onto the 489 along here somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to top up with your fuel here, mate, or are you going to...
I've done 147 miles, so I've got ages left yet.
Yeah.
Another...
I haven't even used 3/4 yet, so...
Yeah, another 30 miles.
Sorry, I haven't used a quarter yet, so it's...
Yeah. Well, I can pull in and fill up. It means I'll get home on whatever it is that I get, so...
Yeah.
We'll do that. If we're going to pull up here, we might as well fill up, yeah.
I won't get much in it, though, mate.
Pardon?
I won't get much in it.
Well, you've mentioned it now, so... It was the Tesco's car park, wasn't it?
Yeah, because we went past the Morrisons and then went into Tesco's, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's on the roundabout, if my memory serves.
Yeah, it is. Pine stretcher.
Alright. Are you filming on your drift as well, mate?
Not at the minute, no.
Okay.
Don't think I'm filming on anything at the moment.
Right.
There's Tesco, so.
Yeah, I'm filming at the moment.
Are you?
Just to film the pulling, mate.
Don't want to disappoint you, Paul, but it's not a roundabout, I don't think.
No, it isn't. That's what it was last time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Aye.
Oh. That was actually quite quick. An hour.
I wouldn't say how it was quick.
Yeah, well, as long as
Traffic's been on our side, eh?
as long as you didn't see any blue lights, eh?
Try not to get lost in the car park this time, mate.
Now we're just going straight in and straight out, Paul.
We'll pull up at the side, can't we? Just
Yeah.
stretch ourselves on it.
Yeah. Well, that's a nice pretty thing to look at, isn't it? Just wish she knew what she was doing.
Well, it's still on.
Yeah, it's still there. Hasn't gone anywhere.
Still working, mate. It's still recording as well. What can I say?
Not a lot, Paul.
I can't really, can you?
No.
I don't know.
Don't you go pushing in, you little thief.